Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering on the Pixel 9 and making sure it has enough battery to avoid interruptions. Once done, connect to a trusted Wi-Fi network so downloads and restores are fast. This is why you prepared your SSID and password. Make sure you have your Google account credentials and any two-step verification device nearby, because signing in is the gateway to restoring apps, settings, and purchases. Finally, decide now whether you'll insert a physical SIM or set up eSIM to activate cellular service. You'll follow the on-screen prompts to select language and accept terms. Do this quickly but read permissions. Next, pick your transfer method. Use the quick switch adapter for a wired copy or restore from your Google backup for cloud transfer. Either gets your apps, messages, and photos. Once you sign into your Google account, make sure to allow necessary permissions for contacts, photos, and location so apps restore correctly. If prompted, enter your previous device's PIN or verification code to complete the transfer. You'll finish by configuring security. Add a fingerprint or face unlock and set a strong PIN because that protects transfers and payments. Make sure Google Assistant is personalized and that the Play Store updates installed apps. This ensures compatibility. Verify your carrier settings and data by making a test call or browsing. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Retry on a stable Wi-Fi, switch to a wired transfer, or reinitiate the Google Backup Restore. If needed, factory reset and repeat the process to clear persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.